Should be working. First time using the YouTube broadcast system here. But it looks like it's working. I see a black screen though, so that's maybe not good. Oh, here it goes. It says an excellent connection. Let's see. Okay. Although it's not showing anything, which is kind of concerning. An error occurred. Uh-oh. Okay, well theoretically I should be able to pull it up in my browser. Hey, it is working. That is fantastic. Sweet. Okay, so then I should be able to see chat and stuff here. What's up, yo? People in the future that might happen to see this. This stream is mostly just gonna be for developing Project Amaranth, and if anyone ends up joining for, community-wise, we can chat with you guys. I got an email that says we're live. That's pretty funny. I'm hoping Dustin will come by soon. Normally we do these things together, but I guess he's busy right now. That's okay. I'm gonna try to go without him for now. Today I'm trying to work on the character system, so it'll be pretty much just me chilling around, working on that system. And if people have questions as we go, let me know. Got a warning. Why is there a warning? The stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended. Well, I don't see why we can't fix that. Let's see, stream. Maximum video bitrate, 51,000 kilobits per second. Let's see. So it's probably this guy here. What did it say? Video 51,160 for audio. So 51,000. Okay, so it's set to that now. Hopefully that fixes that warning. Sweet. Okay, 45000. That's what we actually want. Okay. That way I don't kill my computer. 45. Apply. Okay, well hopefully that's fine. It looks fine on my end. Alrighty. Okay. So let's see. So character system. I think we're going to incorporate this into frame. Let's see. Okay, 1 second here. Have something not show here. Okay. So I'm guessing the character system could just be like a struct that we create. And I would assume the struct gets reset. Actually, when would it get reset? When we go back to the main menu? Let's see. I'm guessing so. So if I'm in main menu, I'll have it reset back to an empty structure. And let's see. I'm trying to think of how we'd want that to work. Oh, here's somebody. What's up, Twisted?
What's up?
Not much. Trying to start this character system stuff. Think you can come lend a hand?
Yeah.
Sweet.
You have an echo going on Discord.
I do? Uh-oh. Wonder if that's because it's coming from the stream and from me. Can you still hear me?
Yep.
Yep, okay, that's because it's coming from the stream.
Oh, okay.
Interesting.
Alright. What do you want me to help you with? I know the character system, but in particular.
Okay, you have to clarify that. Well, we kind of just need to hypothesize how we want this to work so far. So right now I have this, I just put at the bottom of frame, I have a character's struct, and I'm thinking, we have, well, should it be a struct or a list?
Could also, well, do we have to keep track of like the ID of the entity or anything?
Kind of. Probably it should be like a name, like a character name, or some kind of identifier.
So, yeah. So then we would want to struct.
Yeah. So I wouldn't want multiple of that character existing. Let's see. So then let's just start coming up with stuff. Let's see. How about like a function? Should we do? So I know for sure that we need a room that they're in and a position that they're at least trying to get to. Maybe like where they're at currently. I don't know. Maybe there's two things: where they're at currently and where they're trying to get to. Who knows? But just trying to think of how we'd want to structure that. Like character. Let's just do set position. We'll have a room, a X and a Y. How about that?
All right.
Now, the issue that comes up already is how do we determine the rooms? Do we use like the room name? Do we just use the room path? That might be better. Just have a path.
Yeah.
So we room stream path to room. So then we would need to know which room the player is in, which I think we have a variable for. Let's see.
For like the map or just a regular room?
For a map. Every map
I think
has
it's
a path, I would think.
like map local or something like that. There's like a local map something. I don't know what it's called anymore.
There we go.
Location local.
Map location local.
Yeah.
Okay. Location local. I kind of want to see what that is. Let's see. Just put in step for now. Let's see. Here we go. This is perfect. Overall nature tutorial, tutorial intro. Sweet. Okay. So it's perfect. So we can track what room a character is in using that. Okay, and then I would assume we would just do with object frame characters. I guess we would need some kind of character thing here. I'm just gonna put it there for now. Struct exists characters character. Oh, okay. Let's see. Then we can set. I guess we would just do that. Room. X equals X. Okay. probably need like a default struct. We would say struct equals struct. Maybe we can have a function that does this part for us. Maybe just get struct for character. So then we would just move this up here. Struct, and then we return struct. So now all we need is character gets struct. But then the question is what is character? Would it be like a string of their ID, identify? So let's do the example of vaccine. What would we just say that this is like vaccine, and then the game will know what to do with that? I'd have to like assign.
Is there a time where there might be like 2 or more of the same NPC or character?
I wouldn't think so.
Okay, then in that case, I think that string is fine.
Okay. Let's see, and then keep default struct. Let's add to this. So we know room. String x 0, and maybe where they're trying to go to, like go to x, go to y.
Yeah.
Not sure what else at the moment. I guess when we think about it, we'll put it there. Okay, I'm gonna push what I got so far so you can work with me on it.
Alright.
Okay, it's pushed. Okay, so then I guess I would need something to control. How do we want characters to work? Should they just be an instance of part entity, and thus they're an entity and move around like an entity? I would think so.
Yeah, I believe that's how Daisy works, right?
Yeah. Although I'm just kind of ignoring what we currently have.
Oh, okay.
It'll probably have to be retooled. Let's see. Let's just pretend we got vaccine. Go ahead.
It says it cannot resolve GitHub domain or something. It won't let me pull.
Odd. That sounds like either a you or a GitHub problem.
There we go. It's pulling now.
Sweet.
Awesome.
Okay. Vaccine's a floaty type character. I'm pretty sure we just have things we can enable and disable in parent entity for that. Don't quite remember what it is though.
What is it?
Vaccine's a floating character, like they don't get affected by gravity. So I'm trying to remember.
A gravs, right?
Is that what it is?
I think so.
Or I guess I just would
Yeah,
enable.
It's a thing in object player, apparently.
Okay, so it's not here. I guess I just wouldn't enable gravity for that.
Oh, true. Yeah.
Which is default, I guess. And then I guess in begin step we would. Let's see. I'm trying to think of how we want it to work though. Because I'll just give them controls. C, right, 2, HB equals HB. Give them animations. What's that in? I guess I should just look at like sticker. Okay, so stuff like that. We'll just do for now. Just do animation like idle. No, that's not it. Okay, so that's not a thing then. Interesting. I guess it's just for air transition. Oh, stuff like this. Okay.
But you can do animation set. It works basically the same way.
Oh, does it?
Just for your information. Yeah.
Animation set, and then idle.
It might even be better, depending on what you're doing. So.
Let's see what that does. Oh, it sets the frame. Okay, cool. And then we just need it to display that animation, I assume. Just down here. That's in step. He's a stickler. Vaccine. I don't think we've put any art of vaccine on there yet.
Nope.
Found an idle. Bottom center. And vaccine. So we're just gonna have him be idle the whole time. Is that default facing direction always right? I should flip this. Okay. Oh god.
Oh, no.
Okay. Oh, and we also need a outline version, but that's for another day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So that's fine for now. Let's create a little button to spawn them in. For now. Is the key pressed? Is Q used for anything? There, we'll do letters, Q. Okay. Did we give a hitbox for this person?
No.
Same as Sprite. That one. How do we set the boxes? It's like, are we just using image scales?
Yeah.
32 by 80 maybe. I'm just gonna rough to meet that for now. Okay. Play the game. Click. There they are. Interesting that they're already facing left. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Let's see. Use control. You. Oh, you have no controls.
Oh, right. There's like a function you have to call before that. It's like controls E right or something like that.
Yeah.
And then B left. And yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll just get a stickler. Figure that out. Left, right, up, down. Let's see. Okay. You're right. I do need to set up your speed. Actually, I should probably do like 5 and have it equal to for now. And then maybe like there we go.
There we go.
I'm silly. Okay. So that works. Quite happy with that. There's a little proof of concept. Okay. So now the question is instead of spawning them in, I want to be able to be like character set position, and I guess it's vaccine RAM would be, oh, I guess I can just use object frame as an object frame, so it's like map. I already forgot what it was.
Location local.
Thank you. Location local to 200. Cool. So now I don't want this. Okay. So we've got that. So now I need some way to have it automatically spawn if they're not there, right? Maybe this should be on room start. The question is, does room start know does room start know what the map location local is already? Developer playground. Okay. Overworld. Yep, so it does. Cool. So then, let's see. So then we could do. I kind of just want to create a function here. Character start, something like that. I don't know actually. Maybe I'll just cut it off here. We could loop through the characters, so like for, like I said, I need the length of the list. But I'm gonna do this all the time in Dungeon Editor. I'll just copy that. Keys. Let's see. Something like that. So we get name, characters. Alright, okay, so this works. And then we'll do if v dot room, did I do that case? I did, okay. If v dot room is equal to local location local. And we spawn them in. And then we probably need a character get object. I guess it'd be K. Then we can just have a switch character. Case vaccine. Seems good to me.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So theoretically, we should be able to load into the testing map, spawn the character with a Q. They won't necessarily appear right away since it's not room start, but we should be able to go reload the room and they should be there. I didn't ever set a position though. That's funny. So it's be v.x and v.y. Okay. So if I'm here, press Q, I'm dead. Can I convert vaccine to an integer? Oh no. You're right. You're not an integer vaccine. I'm actually going to switch this to L6 and S1. Make that a little easier to work with. let's give this a shot. So let's say, vaccine, you're in this pit. And if I reload the room, vaccine's in the pit.
Awesome.
So it's like no matter where I go, we know vaccine is right there. That's pretty darn cool.
That is.
And it doesn't rely on map makers making their room names. It's just wherever the file is located. So that works out. Hi, vaccine. Okay. I'm gonna push changes.
Hmm?
Okay. Pushed.
Okay.
So now what do we need? Perhaps the go-to functions. I'm trying to think of how this would work. Like, let's imagine this is a server. Everyone would have a copy of this character's struct. If there's nobody in the room with the character, how would the character move? Would we want to say, like, on room exit, if nobody's there, the character just moves to where they're needing to be? I don't know.
Yeah, that might be the best. Well, that might be a good solution, I'd say.
Yeah.
Um,
For now, though, this is assuming not a server. So, if I leave, vaccine's in the other room, and she's like, I have a place to go to. Trying to think of how we want to handle that. Well, let's just handle the base case. I'm vaccine, I have a place to go to, and I'm in your current room. Alright, base case. First of all, we should probably have a set character function set go to, maybe. Character. I guess the question would be is, do we need a go-to for room? I don't really know. Because obviously we want the characters to be able to transition between rooms.
yeah.
Well, we know... Ooh. This is really questioning how we want to structure this. Because we technically could build a struct or something that connects all the rooms together, similar to how we did with the spreadsheet of all the room locations and where they connect to.
Yeah.
And the game should be able to just load the file and be like, oh yes, this room connects to there. Okay, I think I'll, for now, have a go-to room And this is only gonna really work if that room is already in, like, a connection to that room is already in this room. So go to, so this would be 2, go to X, and go to Y. Okay. Okay. Now we have a character set go to. So then we probably should have a variable that's like traveling or something. Like a boolean.
Yeah.
So that whenever we set go to, we're like traveling equals true. Should set position kind of disable the where we're going to, I would assume. So I'd imagine you would set position when you're just plotting a character in. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
I should disable it too.
Okay. So then I could do something like character set go to character, and it'd just be the same stuff. Except for we would want traveling to be false. Okay. So then somewhere in frame, I guess it'd be step. Okay. I guess we would go through our list of characters. Say if traveling. Oh, if we're in that room and e dot traveling. Let's try something here. Perhaps we should also have a object. That way we can not have to get the character every time, perhaps. Actually, would that even matter too much? Like, what's worse? Doing instance exists for object or character get object? I guess you would have to do both if you did character get object, because you wouldn't know if it even exists at all.
Yeah. So I think having the object makes sense.
Yeah.
Like the object key.
So then, whenever we spawn, which was here, we would want to do, I guess it'd be v dot object equals object. Okay. And then, so now here, if instance is this v dot object, I might as well just put it up here. Yeah, I might want to do something later. It's like spawn them in, but just ignore that for now. If it is this object, then I want to tell them to go somewhere. I guess if go to room is where we are at currently. Then we need some kind of way to apply a pathfinding algorithm or something to them. For vaccine, that seems like it'd be pretty easy because you'd just be like, if it's to the right, you push right. But I know in the future we're gonna have characters that have gravity or collisions with walls, all these things. I'd like to be able to have a way to define a AI script here.
So
maybe.
Guess we just add that to the struct.
Yep. How about movement script?
We can set it like script.
Yeah. There we go. So then, boop, we would be like, yes, feed up script, and there we go. Trying to think of the logistics of this. I guess the movement script itself would need to know the struct. Yeah, because we need to know the object and where it's going.
Yeah.
Where should we put these movement scripts?
We could put a group inside the character system and then just do movement scripts.
Okay. I think I'm gonna have you work on the hovering one, if that's all right.
Yeah, sure.
Scrap. Let's see. What should we call these? A movement hover.
Yeah.
And then script. And then so it needs to activate like the C stuff. But I will just push this so you can edit it. Script. Boom. Commit. Push. Alright, it's pushed. Okay. So to clarify, we need that to create a path to the go-to, similar to, well, almost exactly the same way the flip cut thing guy works.
All right.
Let's see, characters. So if go to room local location local. So else, let's try to look through all the lock portals, I guess. I had when you start editing that, add 2 more parameters, which are your go to X and go to Y.
All right.
I'm gonna have it to where you could switch those to be like a block portal, for example.
Okay.
This is in step event though. That would be the efficient way. Maybe the struct itself should just have which block portal it is.
I think the struct's also going to need a path. Is that fine if I put that in there?
Yeah. That makes sense. I guess whenever set go to okay. I'm thinking scratch the 2 go to parameters.
Okay.
Because I'm thinking we will just need to store in the struct a difference between the local go to and a I guess we'll need a new one called local go to X and local go to Y. Where did I put the struct? It's gone. Okay. I'll add those 2 in. I guess it'd be better if we could just both do it. Okay. So under go to X and go to Y, I'm gonna do local go to X. Local go to Y. Which represent the current room, whereas go to X, go to Y is the go to rooms X and Y that they're trying to get to.
All right. Makes sense.
I should just create a new function. Okay, cool. And we can say else.
Where do I actually put the movement script at? So I have it done, but I don't know how to test it.
Sorry?
How do I test the movement script out? Like, what do I do to set it up?
I think I need to finish my part to actually test it.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to just commit it, I'm almost done with this part. It should be good. Okay. I think I'm good. Okay. Let's see. Okay, mine's pushed. Let me know when yours is.
Alright. So let me push it. Desktop is unable to push commits to this branch. Oh, okay, gotta go first. Cool. Push. Alright, it's pushed.
Okay. If I remember correctly, we had Q that places an entity, and then W changes its position. So hopefully this just works. I'm curious to look at your script. Oh yeah, look at that stuff. Oh, this would be... can you modify... Well, this is fine for now, but can you modify this to be the character's movement scripts? So this would be like, if the direction to go is on the right, you do C right. 0 equals true.
Alright.
But this will be fine for the test. Let's see, finish. Spot. Yeah, and you already have this stuff in. That's nice. Hell yeah, dude.
The only thing left to do, I think, with that is delete the path when the character doesn't exist.
Yeah. Also, make sure you do struct that traveling equals to false once it's finished.
Okay.
I have no idea about this stuff, so I need to ask you. Does this macro app ID stuff, does that need to be hidden?
No, it doesn't have to be hidden.
Okay.
Oh wait, yes.
Well, too late now.
I think you can redo it.
Yeah, we'll just redo it at a later time. Right here, ready.
Because really, I think what will just happen is someone can use it for their rich presents, but I still wouldn't risk that. I don't know what else they could do with that.
Probably not too much, but... Okay, so I'm going to spawn in vaccine. Right here, the pit. Oh, what's up before leading it? Let's see. This is object frame. It's my thing. Put it equal to X. Let's see. Character update local go to. If they're in. This is probably struct. Yeah, go to X. Struct up go to Y. Is there any other spot? That's fine. Okay. Vaccine, you're here. I reload so you're there. And then now I want you to go right here. That's what happened. So let's just follow it through the chain. So I did character set go to. That says, hey, you need to go to here. And then we update its local go to. So these should be the same. Yeah. Go to X, go to Y. And we set traveling to true, so that means in frame. If they're traveling and they exist, go. So let's just verify that's even happening. Okay. Oh. Okay, good. Traveling is false, so we'll just assume that. And go. Okay. And I would like... Yeah, that's fine. So, here. Go here. Oh, cool. Essence of vaccine. Go to room is equal to room local. They do look to be the same. Okay. Oh. Oh, their movement script is blank. Oh. Let's see. Script. So then, where would we set that? Maybe in. I guess it'd be character get default struct or something. Struct. Get struct for character. We could just do it here. Maybe like struct dot movement script equals to character get movement script. Something like that. Switch character return. Oh, what's it called?
Um, the movement script AI movement underscore hover.
Okay. Sweet. Alright, let's see if it works this time.
How did you pass the struct parameter into it? Oh yeah, you do later.
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
Which means every time I use get struct, it's doing that. Maybe I should just move that here instead. That would make more sense. Okay. Alright, we're in. Vaccine, you're in the pit. Boop. Reload you back in. I want you to go over here. Uh-oh. We have, I'm not sure if you can see it, but var spot equals 96 times size. Not sure. Variable struct size.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna push the changes so you can now test on your end.
I'm getting all the movement stuff worked out first, if that's alright.
Okay. You want to share your screen? You want to share your screen? You want to share your screen?
Oh, sure.
I see.
I guess for now this will work. I will clean it up later.
Yeah.
Maybe this needs to be history. Let's push that.
I'm honestly extremely excited about this.
Yeah.
I feel like this is gonna be really cool. Oh, do you want me to test it?
Oh, it don't matter.
Yeah, you can do it on your end.
Alright. Is it already set up?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, so size needs to be, there is no size, right? So
No.
Oh, whoops. Do that all the time. Okay, so what's the buttons? Q to place it.
Yep, Q to place and then reload the room.
Ooh.
And then use W to set the go-to position. Uh-oh.
What's happening?
No good.
Oh, well, of course nothing's happening because he's not moving.
Well, but we set the C right and C left stuff to work.
Oh, that's true.
They should be C right zeros though.
Oh, okay.
Oh god. Okay. My first instinct was like, man, that's gonna ruin so much.
Hopefully it worked.
Yeah.
So this isn't even. Go here. Oh god.
What did you do?
Well, oh no. It's somewhat working.
You're not wrong.
I guess because if it's. Oh, well, maybe this needs to be reset. Like all the.
No. Those should be fine.
Okay.
It does that in the begin step of every parent entity. Let's see. I'm gonna edit the. I'm gonna edit the movement. I know how I want that to be done. The C right section down here. I'm gonna work on that part.
Alright.
Let's see. It should be 30 degree. No. They're 45 degree subsections. So then half of 45 brain. 22.5? 22.5. Okay. 22.5. Order is greater than. What's 360 minus 22.5? 337. This would be C, right? That plus 45 times A will be 1. This will be 67.5. So this will be C right. C right is 2, C up. And then next one is 112.5. I think one of your issues was that it didn't finish traveling, which is why I kept going blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
I would look into that.
Okay.
2.5. Let's just see left. always be true, so you just do else. Okay, I'm committing it. Pushed.
Oops. I'm changing the finished to be path length is less than 10 instead of the way it was before.
Okay. Oh, sick. Wait a second. We're both sharing your screen.
Yeah,
What?
I noticed that. It's like, how's that
We can
possible?
do that now?
Apparently.
What? Huh? They had it disabled this whole time and now it's just works? Cool. Alright. I can have your screen
first.
Okay. We have one concurrent viewer.
Oh, there we go. That works.
Huzzah.
Go there.
Go there.
Okay.
Sweet. Okay.
And then I'll
Gonna
pull.
pull, yep.
Touch. Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. That's the changes I made.
So I want this one. Exist.
Yo.
Right.
Okay, I shall pull.
My test.
Okay. Yep. Tested time. Okay.
Press W. Go. Oh. Go. Oh.
What the heck?
He moves sometimes and not other times.
It is very odd.
No.
Okay. If the path length is less than 10. Spot can be like 10 as well. I think that'll help out a lot.
So you and me just set it to the path links less than spot.
If you want to do that, yeah. Theoretically, it should. You're good. Alright. Did I mess up somewhere in my code? Point directions.
Oh.
Oh god, what happened?
That's even worse.
Oh, I see. You're doing the frame percent 10 equals to 0.
Yeah.
That's why it's doing that.
Oh.
Do X, O2Y, O2Y. Yeah, I'd recommend just getting rid of the F statement for now.
Okay.
Traveling. Hey, we got 2 viewers. New record.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, a little weird that it still wiggles, but
Definitely a lot better though.
yeah. Let's see. If inertia is regular, else if inertia is here right now. CX is passed at next. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's wiggling like that. If the if it's updating the position every frame. Do you mind trying the, well, I don't know. Say the path, but
Alright.
the path should be fine. Spot. Let's get next to the next person. Length finished. Also, I just screwed up something with Jaxine's movement. That's just so weird. Why you do that? Oh man. Like if I oh wait, is it still gonna be there? No, because we reloaded. Okay, but if I do entities control U, yeah, the movement is exactly like, oh, it's not exactly like I'd expect. Look at this. So if I'm holding left and I'm gonna tap down.
Whoa.
That's why it's behaving like that. I just need to fix Vaccine's movement code real quick.
Hey.
Okay. So if you're not pressing up or down. New speed 0.
I forgot. Oh no.
What did you do?
He's shaking.
Okay, try it with these changes. Vaccine fix. Push. Should be able to just pull it. I feel like.
Okay, so just don't worry about this.
You don't have to.
Alright.
Fetch origin. It's top right. Yep. Okay. There you go.
Let's see. So
should
now
be
I
good.
need to push this, or okay.
Should be good to test.
Whoa. Hey. Hello. Oops.
Hell
Yay.
yeah. Smooth.
So the only reason that he jiggles is if I'm doing this and I go somewhere he can't go.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's fine.
Yep. What I want you to try now is go to the room on your right and set the go-to position there, and then come back. I sit here. Never mind.
He didn't care.
Yep. It makes me wonder if that's because that block portal is like off the screen, or
Maybe.
or
Oh. Where'd he go?
huh?
He like teleported off. That was weird.
I thought you set his position up there. Yeah.
Oh, I did. Now he's there.
Okay, so I guess that's the next step. Is we need to make sure the character can get to a spot that's actually off screen. I don't know exactly how we would accomplish that though, because our whole like pathfinding system relies on blocks that are on screen.
Unless you want to do custom pathfinder.
No. For this particular situation, it might benefit us to just extend the room upwards and just have a camera block up there. So let's try a room that actually has a oh god, I don't know how to do this. No, we need this to happen because we need ones that are off screen. So then I guess we would just need to update it to where it picks a position and then moves it onto the screen. Yeah, I guess so.
Mm.
So like here, found, if found, if x is less than 0, I'm just gonna do it simple for now. Actually, if x, I guess this variable. Can you go ahead and push your changes?
Yeah. There you go.
Sweet. So now I need to pull them in. Okay. I'm gonna try an area that this should at least work on. So this one here. So I'm gonna put vaccine here. Boop. I come back. Hello, vaccine. You can move. And then I want you to go over here. Oh no. Okay. So here. Debug.
Oh. Isn't this because the room has to be the same as the... Oh, wait, maybe not. I think you changed that.
Okay.
Because I saw struct.room equals map location local. Whenever you did that.
Yeah.
And I now see that you have an else state.
Yeah. Oh. This is updating it even though they're not in the same room. Huh. It's with block, so that if the room that they're in is this. So I guess I need to remove the else actually. Because I don't want them to update this stuff when they're in the room that the player is in currently. So then, but this would be if struct go to ankles struct.room. So there we go. That's what we were needing. Okay. I think that makes more sense now. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, because it paused here, right. Found. Here, I'll just let it go for now. And, okay. And they're not moving. Okay. Let's put the debug back here. Okay. So found block portal. Okay, and it found it right away. Found true. Go to X is negative 16. That makes sense. Yep. Because then it'll go here. It found it. It is this, so it makes it 0. That doesn't matter. Okay. So theoretically that works now, yeah? And then what? And then we wanna traverse. So theoretically this script should be starting next. It's not though. Why is it not? Where am I? Okay. Traveling is true. Since I've actually oh. Okay. Well, that's
Oh, that's what I was talking about.
Well, that makes sense. So let's remove that. Oh yeah, because we already have it up here. If the room is the local room. Okay. Come on. Get rid of those breakpoints. There they go. Cool. So it works. So now we just need something that's like, when they touch that, set their room to the other room and despawn them from this room. Maybe when we maybe when we create the object, we can give. I wonder if this works. Instance create. Where is that? Confused. Do we not create it here?
No.
Oh.
I think it's in room start or something
Okay.
like that.
Okay, maybe we can give the object a copy of its struct. Yeah. So then let's. Do we have a part character? No. Well, actually, do we need? I kind of want any entity to technically work as a character. So I guess we would just add that to parent entity. What do I call it? Character struct. Maybe none. Maybe. I don't know. It's not an object, so it doesn't make sense. Maybe we should just have a variable that's like is character. Why are they so far apart? Okay. So then, whenever you create it, which is down here, check that this character is true. So that in part entity, does it be so? If is character. Let's do traveling. If place meeting with object block portal. Okay. Then I guess we would want to know first of all So we want to know if object destination is equal to the go-to character struct dot go-to. If so, we're gonna die. But our room will equal object destination. Theoretically, that should update it since it's the same pointer, I would assume. And then everyone's happy. Okay. If it's neutrality. And then we'll have to do that for doors as well. Place meaning. I don't know if doors even have a hitbox. Well, let's give him one. This won't mess up anything at all.
Sure. Yeah.
Come on, game. You can't do this. Alright. Object door. And then same thing. Yep. Okay. Let's give it a go. Assuming this works, the next step would be how do we move characters that are off screen? Do we just set like a timer based on some distance and then they travel to that room? I don't know.
Because when you leave the room, the object is effectively destroyed, right? So.
Yeah. Alright, vaccine, you're here. I declare. But I want you to be over here. Ah, crap. Boop. Where are you now? An issue right now is how does it know the position of where it is once it gets there? Like we would have to do we would need something that's like where I'm from. Character struct dot from room equals the current room, I guess. Because then when it places it in the new room, it would have to be actually we could do struct dot spawn point object dot what is this one point thing? ID used to spawn location in next room ID. That's awkward naming for that, but okay. So now when you create, here, we could say if spawn point is -1, do this, else else we would need to cycle through I guess it'd be do we have a script for this already? Oh god, let's like load map data. Get spawn region ID. And then there's like a teleport thing. Yeah, this guy. So we could simply load it at 0, 0. Then we would have to get spawn room region ID. Oh man, this is not good because that's using all the thing. Okay. I guess I'd have to look through. Let's see. What do they call them? Spawn regions?
Yeah.
I'm realizing Amaranth is still just in the way. They are not called spawn regions, apparently.
I don't even see the picture.
You couldn't find it?
No, I don't see an object for it anywhere.
Maybe there just isn't.
It might be just tracked in frame or something.
Yeah. Whatever load data to wherever that is. Okay, so maybe I do have to use this silly piece of code. Spawn region ID. Okay. And then I need this to be object, this to be false. And spawn region. Where is spawn region located? Load map, spawn regions. Which was in here. So where it is. Load map data. That's in room. Import rooms. Oh, there's teleporters, right? So maps. Yeah, here we go. Object teleporter. Where does it do its thing? Oh, it just has an int x, y, h, y. Oh. Interesting. So it just stores it in there. Interesting. Okay, well. That's not good. Okay, well that just means in load map data, we're gonna have to give that information to the frame. We're going to say object frame dot spawn region equals spawn region. Yeah, I'll just do that. So this technically should have it then, as long as we're not out of width. Okay, should be good then.
Nice.
Do object variables set inside of the room create event? What happens to them? Do they die? Does the room itself get them as object variables?
That is weird. Never actually thought about that. 'Cause the room does technically have a create event, it's creation code, so.
Yeah. Alright, let's give it a go. What am I doing? Checking a message. You there. Goodbye. Here's the thing. We've got a way to set position, but we need a way that's like set position without resetting. Maybe we should just have like reset equals false. Reset go to equals false. We'll have that be here. Seems good to me. Okay. Hello, random viewer. Okay, let's see if this works. So I'm gonna set vaccine, be right here. Boop. Vaccine, I want you to actually be right here. There you go, you're traveling. Boop. And it crashed. Okay, I got this guy here. Not an object at TP rel X. So I assume this was from here. Spawning gen teleporting today. Why did I do this? Okay. That's it. Unknown object at TP rel X. Because this is stuff I would need to set. Onto the entity. For now, though, I will just set it to 0. These are the variables that determine where you are when you exit, relative to the portal itself. Like if I go through at the bottom, I come out at the bottom. I can imagine we should just put that into the character struct. Something you could do if you want to try, but I'm not going to bother with it right now.
Alright.
I am realizing something. You can probably hear yourself, can't you?
No.
No?
Nope.
What?
Have I just been not coming through the whole time? I didn't even think about that.
Okay, well I know on OBS it shows that it can hear you.
Oh, okay.
So how can you hear me right now? I don't understand. So you can't hear any any audio other than my voice then?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess I set it the thing to behave like that, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna check something. Yeah, I see. Streaming your camera lets you pick an audio device, and I see. So it's just using my mic as the audio. Okay, cool. Now I know. Okay, vaccine, you're there. A second here. Just messed up something. Okay. And then boom, vaccine, you're supposed to be here. So come on, get over there. Aha!
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Vaccine, please come over here. Where'd you go?
Oh.
Right. So as they're traveling, they need to update their position. Alright. I'm gonna take a little break here. Okay, I'm gonna push this. Can you work on, like, as they're traveling, update their position? Let's see.
If I know what you mean by that. Just like
You probably just have to call the character set position without reset go to.
like
I assume.
okay. Like inside the
Inside
set
the
go to,
movement
or
script.
just
Or actually, that might be an object frame itself. I don't know. You'll have to think about it. Let's see. Character move between scripts. I'm getting a little bit of headache, so I'll be right back. It's pushed. Can you screen share?
Yep. Oh, I can't right now.
Wait, why?
Now it says I can't.
What? So if we do it at the exact same time, it's allowed? Hold on, let's try this. Alright. Capture device, this. Alright. Oh god, why is it lagging so bad? Okay, cool. So as long as we both click it while it's available. That's funny. Wow. And stupid. Okay. I'll be back.
Alright.
Oh. How'd you know? Are you watching?
We are writing in GameMaker language. We're using GameMaker Studio to make it. And welcome to the stream. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but no problem. Let's So I need to.
Alright, I am back. How's it going?
It's going good, I think. I just now started the test, so
Okay. Okay. We had our first chatter. Wiley's
yeah.
0702. They like sent a message right as I was getting up to to get some snackage.
Yeah.
Like, oh, I gotta respond.
So let's see right there. You still move? You sure do. Over here. Oh, over here. Oh, go.
So it's not going to use it if that's not where it wants to go.
Oh. Yeah, do that.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Undefined of create. Apparently. Let's see where we started.
What's there again?
Object instance create. It says the incorrect type undefined. So I guess
Character get object and pull back anything?
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking.
Get object K. K would be a vaccine.
I guess I can debug and see what K is. Because I don't really understand what's going on.
Well, K is just the key of that character struct, which the only key we've been putting in is vaccine.
I guess I could like just character set position. Character. The character is V, right?
The V is the struct of the character. Yeah.
Okay, so this is not what then? So I would want this to be the string.
Yeah,
oh,
that'd
wait,
be
it
K.
is okay.
That should be K, yeah.
That was probably why.
And then V dot. Yeah, whatever. Well, yeah.
Okay. I think that was it. Maybe. Still wasn't right. Of course.
Oh, let me look at it. Stop. Go back. V dot object. Yeah. Okay, you're good.
Oh,
Man, I really need to fix that kind of stuff.
maybe. So you go through, you die, and now you're.
Hell yeah.
I do that. Oh, yeah, I saw him go through. We should start to see. But
Sweet.
yeah, we'll do it. See if I can get him. Show it. Oh. Well, apparently not.
Here, put him really far to the left.
Okay. So,
Yeah. So now his position is way over there. So it should be pretty clear.
no,
No,
he gone.
he is gone.
Okay. So, I guess
So let's
this
go
isn't
down
where.
here. Okay, v dot room, and room is the local room. V dot object dot x, v dot object dot y. Yeah. And it should be resetting travel. What the hell? I'm very confused by that. Let's make this just slightly more simple. Can you just do like v dot x is equal to v dot object dot x?
V dot x equals v dot.
It'd have to be capital X.
Oh, okay. That,
Yep.
and then just not this.
Yep. 'Cause theoretically, that should be updating it just fine. Exactly what the other thing was doing, yeah. And if that doesn't work, then that tells me that the struct is a copy and not the actual struct. Which is no good. In fact, that probably is what's happening. Yeah, it's probably just a copy of the struct. But go ahead and test it.
You want me to check? Okay, there you are. You are going to come over here. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to put him way over here. Good. Well, that still
didn't work. So, okay, so yeah, that's probably meaning it's a copy. It's not the actual struct. How do we fix that? How do we make it not a copy?
Would it not be like the character whatever key equals struct?
Yeah, I guess you'd have to do that. That would be in Oh, but interesting. Since this is doing it with object frame, it should be updating it the global struct anyway. Yeah. Can you go back to the actual character, the parent entity? Is that it there on the left? Oh.
So
That's
this,
subject frame.
okay, so you do mean this.
Because that's where it should be updating the position, eh? Yeah, we should be updating it here.
Okay.
I would think.
And now this should be...
Not in place meeting, but...
Oh, yeah.
But yeah.
Here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I guess just to make this a bit easier to read. Wait, that's a thing. Air. Is this an object?
Yeah. Well, hold on. Can you just shoot it over to me? I think I have an idea of what I'm wanting for that.
I basically made no change at all, but
oh no. Okay.
Yeah, because it was just that one set position.
That's funny.
Yeah.
It's a frame. So for character, where did we set the? Oh, it's here. We set his character. We need the object that name, I guess, equal to K. Yeah. Okay. Because then when we update, where's parent? Yeah, here. Yeah. So when we update the, did you already send it? I thought it really mattered. Or did you not send it at all?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, so then...
It don't matter.
Yeah, okay. So his character... Set position for... Name. I guess it'd be... Framed... local... Location local... X and Y. So theoretically, this should, yeah, it should load the struct from object frame and edit it. But then, would I have to update these as well? But this already works, so then I'm confused. Because this is, I guess, not a local copy then, because we did .room and spawn point and those work fine.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Let's just see. I guess technically we would want this to always update, not just if they're traveling or not. Let's give it a go. Also, I didn't know you could get up here. That was cool. respawn you there. Come over here. Yep, there you go. Whee. Alright. So theoretically you should still be there when I come back, and you're not.
Oh.
So like, why aren't you there? We're setting your position to X and Y. This still makes me think there's a like a local copy error. But let's think about this too. Whenever they spawn, yeah, they spawn it where the X and Y is. Oh, you know what we never did? I know it is.
Oh.
Ugh. Whenever we spawned them, we never reset their spawn point. So it's like, it's trying to respawn them. Ugh. This whole time, we were being very silly. Okay. You go here. I'm over here. You go here, please. I'm over here. Even if I go back, you should still be there. Yep.
Awesome.
And then I go back, come back again. You're still there. Yeah. Okay. This is perfect.
Walking.
There you are. That's so cool. God darn. That's awesome. I should probably move it here now. Ow, my frames.
What?
Oh no. Vaccine, where'd you go? Man, this map takes forever to load. Oh, you're over there for some reason. I want you to be here. There you go. Boop. Yeah. It just works.
That's really cool.
What? Why did you come out of the right? Oh, we need to figure that out. Why they come out of right?
I'll have to be back in a few.
Okie doke. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Anyways, for the stream, I'll probably hop back in the developer chat soon.
Okay.
Alrighty. Catch you later, dude.
Yeah.
And for anybody still on the stream, see you next time.